Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this Lego airplane right here. It's very small and simple. Actually, my first video on this channel was about an airplane. If you're a really old viewer of this channel, then you know it's called the twin-engined aircraft, which is white and green. So I decided to go for a different color scheme here. So I decided to go for black and gray with blue glass. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I've taken apart everything, so I'll tell you everything you'll need. So first you'll need two of these 2x2 triangle corner pieces, two 1x2 flat pieces, two of these 1x4 angle pieces that are flat, and then two of these 1x3 flat pieces, and one 2x6 flat piece. So first, let's put this blue piece right here. Then let's put our 1x4 wing pieces. Then these light gray pieces, like this. Then a 1x2 flat piece here, and let's put that one back. And then these two pieces right here. And that's our airplane. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!